What's up, everyone? This is your man JD here, and you want a spin kick, I want a spin kick, everybody wants a spin kick, but how do we do it without telegraphing, letting the other person know it's going to happen? Like this.
There you go. Bullshit kicker.
Way. All right, everyone, so we're talking spinning kicks and how to set them up where people don't see them coming. I happened to do some sparring this last weekend, and as you saw the video with the kicks, I showed a clip where Sensei Seth's like, spin, and he picks it out. So we want to, and I've been working on doing this without telegraphing it. And so that's today's video, is how to spinning kick on something, a target, and not telegraph, not let it be totally known we're going to spin. He was basically saying that when I was already across. And so when you do that, remember, you want to move that leg across off of your punch combination or off of your combination, so it's not totally obvious. From there, rotate, make sure you got eyes on target, then spinning kick. Do not spin kick something you can't see. You're gonna wipe out, okay? I can see it's happening all the time. People go, whoa, and they miss and they wipe out. So make sure you know where your target is. So again, combination, maybe jab, cross. As I hook, I follow that punch, because hopefully their hands are up. I rotate, and then I execute that spinning kick. A second option, what you could do is you could throw that lead leg kick, put it past, and then spinning kick. But understand, ultimately, the trick for the spinning kick is I get my foot past the target, rotate, and then I fire the kick. So ultimately, the step is to put my foot past the target. When I move my foot past the target, I'm not stepping right on top of the target. I am just stepping past the target. Now I rotate. Notice the distance I have. I have room to fire that kick. I'm not directly on top of it. And like I was saying, so the secret sauce is to step as I put that into my combination, then you go. Again, 1, 2, step, and then fire your kick. I'll go a little profile for you guys. 1, 2, here, and then go. Now this next version is when I was in Taekwondo, and the trick here is I don't step, because as soon as I step, they register, hey, spinning technique. So what they had us do is we just twisted. We pointed our heel at the target, and then, boom, we fire the kick. No different. I still have to set this up off of some kind of combination. But if you notice, look how close I am, okay? There's like maybe 6, 7 inches between my heel and the punching bag. And the reason this technique doesn't work really well on a heavy bag or a freestanding bag is it's not moving. When you do this, ideally that person is maybe they're backing up, they're getting hit, they're moving away. So I set this up, boom, but they're probably about this far away at this point. Then you can throw that kick in there and make it work. So just keep in mind, when you're just gonna point the heel, on a heavy bag, you're gonna be kind of jammed up. But on a real person, hopefully they're backing up. And so when you're doing your spinning kicks, understand we have to set them up off of combinations. You're not just gonna be here and make it work. It's not gonna happen. You're not gonna get it. Or if you do, it's because that person's probably a beginner and has never seen a spinning technique. Put in the comments below what your favorite spinning kick is. Other than that, this is JD. This is for Tips and Tricks Thursday. You guys know what to do. Hit that like button, smash that subscribe button, and last but not least, hit that bell icon so you know when all videos are coming out.